Hi folks, Neil Weaver here from Weaver Insurance. I hope you had a wonderful holiday season and that you're still sticking with your New Year's resolutions. I'm recording this video today to take a few minutes to tell you a little story about something that happened to me over 20 years ago now. I was 21 years old and I was still living at home with my parents, and I was finishing college, and I was actually on my way to play a show. I played in a rock and roll band back then, just kind of like I play in one now, and I was on the way to the show and I was running a little late, of course, and I was driving out on Roswell Road in Roswell, and I topped a hill and I was going a little too fast, and there was a lady that was stopped in front of me, and I tried to get around her. I tried to slam on my brakes, but what happened was I ended up rear-ending this lady. And so we pulled over into the parking lot and we exchanged information and we called the police, and it was totally my fault. I committed the accident. I did it. But we exchanged information. The police came, and I asked, made sure she was okay and that sort of thing. But and then ultimately, you know, we both drove away from the scene. Time ticked along a little bit. As far as I knew, my dad's insurance company had taken care of her vehicle. My vehicle had been taken care of, and everything was okay. But after about 2 years, I got served with papers, and I found out that this lady was suing me for problems with her back and for TMJ and just all kinds of medical problems. And so my dad called the insurance company, and they started to handle things again, and I went to a lawyer's office and I made a statement and that sort of thing, but I didn't hear anything about it again for quite some time. But after about 2 years later again, so now we're talking about 4 years total, we got a phone call from the lawyer's office. My father did, and the lawyer's office said, hey, look, we're running out of money on this case, so we wanted to know, you know, what you were going to do at this point. And my father's response was, well, I don't really know why you're running out of money, because I bought an umbrella policy. And the lawyers said, well, we didn't know that you had that. So they checked back with the insurance company, and sure enough, my father had an umbrella policy. And so again, we didn't hear anything for a while about the case. 4 years later, I was sitting in a courtroom, so this is 8 years from the original accident. I was sitting in the courtroom across from this lady who was suing me for all kinds of injuries and damages that I had caused her. And the point really isn't whether she actually had these injuries or she didn't have these injuries. The point isn't whether she was right or she was wrong. The point is that she had chosen to sue me, and that was where I was sitting at that time, 8 years after this accident. In the end, the insurance company settled with her before we ever even had a judge decide anything. The insurance company settled with her for about $50,000. But the $50,000 isn't the point. Over the course of those 8 years, my father had amassed probably somewhere in the neighborhood of about $420,000 worth of legal costs. But my father didn't have to pay a dime. And the reason that he didn't have to pay a dime was because when I was 16 years old, my father had sat down with his insurance agent, and his insurance agent had told him, you know, it would probably be a pretty good idea if you bought an umbrella policy in order to increase your liability, because you are liable for the things that your kids do. And then this isn't a story just about kids. It's a story about having that extra liability protection, because you never know what could happen. You know, none of us thinks we're going to cause a 5-car pileup, but 5-car pileups happen, and they're generally caused by one person. And so that's why I'm talking to you today about this. That's why I believe that it's important. And so in the next day or two, you're going to be receiving a letter from me. It's going to look something like this, okay, just a normal letter, but it's about umbrella coverage. And I'd like for you to please take it seriously, please read it, and please respond to our office about it. I think it's one of the most important coverages you can carry, and that's why I'm sending you this video, and that's why I'm sending this letter. I think it's very important. And believe it or not, it's not that expensive. And guess what? Here's what I'm going to do. If you call our office to get an umbrella quote, just for calling our office to get a quote, I'm going to give you either a free copy of my CD, remember I said I played in a band, or we'll give you a free gift card just for calling. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great week, and rock on.